Hello, welcome to the Indent Code channel. In this video, we will discuss the must-have Python libraries for data analysis. From data cleaning, visualization, to machine learning, we will see why Pandas, NumPy, Scikit-Learn, and others are the top choices in the world of data science. For those of you who are or want to explore data analysis with Python, be sure to listen to the end. Let's get started. Here is a list of frequently used libraries. 1. Pandas. Pandas is essential for tabular data manipulation. This library makes it easy to import, clean, process, and analyze data in data frame format. 2. NumPy. NumPy facilitates numerical computation. This library is used for multi-dimensional arrays that allow mathematical calculations on numerical data quickly and efficiently. 3. Matplotlib and Seaborn. Matplotlib and Seaborn are both excellent for data visualization. Matplotlib is a basic library for creating graphs, while Seaborn provides more beautiful and readable statistical visualizations based on Matplotlib. 4. Scikit-Learn. Scikit-Learn, used for machine learning and statistical data analysis. Scikit-Learn provides machine learning algorithms such as regression, classification, and clustering, as well as various tools for model evaluation. 5. Scikit. Scikit provides functions for math, science, and engineering. Scikit is often used in conjunction with NumPy for more complex numerical computations. 6. Stats models. Stats models, useful for more in-depth statistical analysis, such as regression analysis, hypothesis testing, and time series data analysis. 7. Plotly. Plotly, an alternative to Matplotlib, especially when interactive visualization is required. Very popular for more dynamic data visualization, especially in web-based applications. 8. TensorFlow and PyTorch. TensorFlow and PyTorch, often used for advanced machine learning, especially deep learning. Both libraries are popular among data scientists who focus on developing AI and neural network models. Dask. Dask, a library that supports large-scale data processing in a parallel and distributed manner. Very helpful when working with large data sets that don't fit in memory. Thank you for watching and learning with us about powerful Python libraries for data analysis. Hopefully, this video will help you choose the right library for your next project. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss other videos about data science in Python. Leave a comment if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover next. See you in the next video, and happy exploring with Python.